Hey guys, it's Noah from BMX Check, and I'm going to do a bike check for you. First, I wanted to say that this is my first custom BMX bike, and I'm super excited on the outcome of it. The only thing that's not custom is the front wheel, and that's going to be solved soon. So, looking forward to that. And I'm really stoked on it, on this bike. Okay, I ride the Verde Cartel 2 forks, I ride the Verde frame, I don't know which one it is, and I ride the S&M holder bars. I have the Odyssey integrated headset on this. I have the Sunday Freeze stem, and I have a ShadowConspiracy bracket. So, bracket spins really nicely. It's a really good quad bracket. Headset, same thing with it. It spins very nicely. It's good quality stuff. I have fit pedals. I don't know which ones they are, but they're very good pedals. They stick to your feet well. I have Stolen Mob cranks. They're great cranks. They're sturdy. They're 175 millimeter. And I ride a ShadowConspiracy Pro sprocket 28 tooth. And I have the KMC Z10 NP chain. Something like that, I don't know. That's a great chain, I like it a lot. Another thing I'm really stoked on in this bike are brakes. The good brake system I've got set up right now. I've got the Odyssey mono lever in small. I've got the Odyssey slick cable, and in the back I got the Odyssey Evo 2 brakes. And you're probably asking why this one is green. It's because the mounts on this bike were fucked up, so I had to make makeshift brakes. I guess we'll go to wheels now. In the back, I have a BlackLabel wheel with gold nipples, as you can see. I've got the BlackLabel Mobster rubber. BlackLabel is also miraco, if you're wondering. It's BlackLabel. In the front, I just have a stock wheel from my old bike, Nova. I mean, it spins well, it doesn't really create a problem for me. I have the ODI long neck grips. If you want to see my opinion on those, watch my review. And then I have the 1664 seat post and the United Feature seat. And I might put up a review for that, so stay tuned. Alright, that's my bike check, guys. Thanks for watching.